Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up on this project. So this is going to be our CSR project, Corporate Social Responsibility. You can see that it's going to be out of 55 points. This is going to be a shared slideshow. So every single one of you are going to create one slide inside of this slideshow. Everyone in this slideshow has edit privileges. So you're not going to be uploading anything to Schoology. You're actually just going to put your slide right in here. And then when I grade it, I'll be able to enter your grade for you. So let's go on over here to slide 2 and let's see what's going on. So you're going to create a Google slide. You're going to highlight one example of corporate citizenship or social responsibility for a company of your choice. And I have an example from a student last year to share with you. A good place to find information for a company is to start on their homepage and then scroll to the bottom of the page and look for an About Us or a corporate information link. So let me show you a quick example so that we can make sure that everybody is all squared away with this. All right, so I'm going to go to Coca-Cola. And when I go to Coca-Cola, what I'm going to find out is that, of course, Coca-Cola is this like gigantic international company. So I'm going to come all the way down here. First thing I'm going to do is choose United States. All right. And then again, a lot of times at the top is going to be your consumer facing part of your website. So, they're still kind of trying to like sell you stuff and interact with you. But what we're going to be looking for is probably going to be down here at the bottom, like way down, way down, way down. Okay. And then you can kind of see a little bit more information that we have down here. So remember that we're looking for social responsibility, corporate citizenship, shop and visit. I don't really think that's going to be it. Help, I don't really know that that is going to be it so much. So I think what we probably want to take a look at is going to be underneath of companies. So about the company. All right. And then when I get in here, I can see that I basically hit the jackpot, that this is going to be more along the lines of what I want to know about Coca-Cola. And you can kind of see right away, it's not really customer facing anymore where they're trying to sell you stuff, but now you can see that it's really more about the corporation of Coca-Cola. So obviously it's going to tell you about their company and their brands, but then you can see right here, we're now getting into the stuff we're looking for. So let's take a look underneath of sustainable business. So when I get in here and I take a look at sustainable business, I'm going to have a lot of information that I can, kind of look at, but you can see that it starts talking about what they're doing for environmental, social, and corporate governance. Also talking about giving people options. That's kind of along the like sugar, where people talk about sodas being bad for you, that sort of thing. And obviously you can see it's got some of these different protein drinks like Core Power and stuff like that. Also, now we've got a little bit more of this environmental waste type stuff going on. Water conservation. So we really hit the jackpot here for Coca-Cola. So when we come on back over and we take a look at our project and what we're going to be asked to do, that's the kind of stuff when we say that we're looking for a company, that's the type of stuff that we're looking for. It's not always going to be right on that first page that you go to. A lot of times you have to scroll to the bottom and then kind of find the About Us page or the company information page. So it might take you just a little longer than you would imagine. So here's what we're looking for. You want to choose a company and hopefully you can find something that they've done for social responsibility, customers, employees, the society. We're going to develop one slide. Please don't mess around with the other slides of your classmates. We want to have the name and logo of the company. Please make sure that it's clear and not skewed in proportion. We want the name and one written paragraph. Please write the paragraph yourself and paraphrase it. Please don't copy and paste from me. Of their socially responsible action. We're looking for proper spelling and grammar, good use of color and design, and then also we need an MLA citation in the bottom right-hand corner. And here is a link that's going to help you out with that. So we're going to go on to slide 3 and take a look at a perfect example. So this was an example of girls that had this class last year. You can obviously see, I'm going to move this out of the way so we can see it. You can obviously see that they would have chosen Target, and my little like picture thing is covering up. Okay, there you go. So now you can see their MLA citation is in the bottom right-hand corner. I thought they did a really good job with design. They've got the logo, the company name, and then let's take a look at what they found out. So my team member is Alexi. We chose this company because we both shop at Target and enjoy it. Target does a lot of good for the environment. One thing they're doing is trying to reduce plastic by coming up with a new bag. Target recently announced their partnership with Closed Loop Partner Center for the circular economy. The bag they're trying to create will still be good for customers, but will have less of a footprint on the environment. These bags are made of 40% recycled content and can be recycled again. What Target is doing is very good for the environment and makes a big difference little by little. I wasn't surprised that Target did something like this, as they are a very popular company. So Alexi and Kylie last year, this was a primo example of a slide, and that, my friends, is it. So you probably are going to have more luck with a larger company like Coke and Target versus just looking up a small local company. Small local companies do awesome stuff, but they don't always have the back office power to make sure that their websites and all of that stuff are good to go. If you happen to know of a small local company, then by all means, go right ahead and do it. But you should not feel like you need to interview somebody unless you want to, because that could be cool too. All right, reach out if you guys have any questions. Good luck to you.